When you open?
So the hotel was opened in 2020. So actually they opened a month pre-pandemic. So it was a rocky road at first. So we had to open and close the whole time, but finally we are going to this room. And this is
5 to 5.
yes. This is our essential room, so as you would understand as our standard room, yeah.
Mm-hmm. How big?
This is like 20 something square meters. Let me put this here.
Mm-hmm. Fun? Still work?
It works, yes. Also, all of our rooms they have completely different layouts. So they match between floors. So 4 to 5 in this case, the one lower to this is exactly the same layout, but the one next door, even if it's the same category, doesn't look anything like this. It's totally different. So that allows us to play a lot with the guests, like open bathroom, closed bathroom. They're really